Hello? Hello? Yeah, Kaushik, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello, Andy.
Kaushik, you can hear me, right? I'm just sharing the screen also.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will send these things. And yesterday I could not send these. So what is this? Employee number, employee name, salary, rank, and dense rank we discussed, right? Dense rank will give the continuous numbers, whereas rank, if multiple records are coming as the same rank, then it is going to skip the next number. However, it assigns the next number or next number, subsequent number after skipping these multiple records, right? This is the rank. So we have seen difference of ranks over here. Let me just type. So in EMP table, I'm just ranking. This rank is the syntax and the rank of over. I'm sorry, yesterday actually, yesterday visitors came and then I'll have to attend. So rank of over order by right as rank from EMP. It is coming like this. So let me just type what is this, the functionality of rank. If you want the similar thing from stud, you can use the stud also, our stud table based on. Okay, we will write one more thing. Okay, I think everything is same, stud XYZ, because almost aggregate marks are same. Okay, I think this is fine. XYZ is fine. Okay, let's see ranking system on total marks. Okay, so select SNO, comma name, comma total marks from XYZ, from XYZ. Okay, so after that, it's the rank into give parenthesis also. This is the syntax over rank on what I'm going to give on total marks. Whoever got the highest marks should be ranked 1. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Arani should get the rank 1 because it's in the descending order, right? Then how we get over total marks, over order by what? Total marks in descending order, right? As rank student. This is just an alias. Okay. This is the syntax. Okay, now let's see. How is it getting? See? This person first rank, second rank, and third rank. Okay. Now, in both these cases, rank and dense rank would work in the similar way because there are no same total marks, right? You're getting my point?
Yeah.
No two records are having the same total marks. Okay. But if two or more records are having the same total marks, how will it come? Okay. The similar case with a dense rank also. You can just write dense underscore dense rank. Okay, same. So it doesn't matter because we are not. But however, if you see, select star from stud. One, two, three records are having same total marks, aggregate marks are same. Now, how will it? Okay, then it will come as if you are using rank, right? Then it will come as 2, 2, 2. And then the third one could be 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. I mean, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And it will come as 4. Because 1, 2, 3, and then it is 4. Right? 1, 1, 1, and then 4. If it is dense rank, then 1, 1, 1, and then it will be 2. Okay, let's see now. select student number, comma, student name, comma, aggregate marks, comma, rank of over what? Order by aggregate marks,
Order. Aggregate marks,
descending order.
descending. Yeah.
Descending order from
As. Okay. From.
STD, right? From this. Okay, and you can give it
Okay.
as rank underscore STD. This is something like only. This is an alias name only. This is just a column heading after as or whatever it is coming. Okay. Now if you see, then as we discussed, like 1, 1, 1, and then 4 came, right? Because we
Yeah.
use the rank function. And if you are using dense rank function, how will it become? Dense rank 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1, 2.
Okay. This is your dense rank function. Okay. Now partition by. What do we mean by partition by? We are considering rank on one particular column. And if there is a tie or something, or if it is not even a tie, but along with this column also, I wanted to highlight one more column also, partition of that particular column. As we discussed, like, there is an employee, self start from employee. If you see, let's see. Yeah, partition by commission also. So I wanted to rank the employees based on their salaries in descending order, whoever is getting the salaries highest. Also, I wanted to rank one for the people who got the commissions also. 1 or 2. Okay. The reason why, because they might have worked hard. So if you see, 5,000 is the highest salary, King, who is ranked as 1. And then next comes to 3,000, right? So what it will do, it is going to segregate the commissions first. Okay, this is 0, but because it is ordered by salary descending, it has ranked it as 1. And then it is checking for the next commission elements. Okay, which is having the 1,400. So even the salary is less because it is a partition by column, it is ranking it as 1. Okay.
Okay.
If you are thinking that, 7566 Jones, let's update some commission value. Then what it would become? It would become it would also become rank 1. Okay.
Rank 1. Okay.
Okay, let's see that then. Update EMP set commission equal to maybe like 300, where
E-name equal to Jones.
okay, or I can say employee number equal to 7566. I think employee number 7566, there are 2. Okay, then name Jones, there is only 1 record, right?
Yeah.
There is only 1 record, Jones, then that's fine. Yeah. Where name equal to Jones. Unreflected. Now let's execute this. Then how is it coming? Let's see. Okay. 2975. This is the rank. 300 has been given it as a rank 1. Because it has the commission value now. Okay. So the preference would be given to commission. Commission, whoever is having any commission value. Initially order by salary. Okay, descending order. Then amongst the commission, if commission exists, then it is going to give that value. Okay.
Okay.
It is going to, you want to see order by rank EMP, order by select. Okay, you can just give Leave this order by rank also. So let's see what is the order it is coming. It gives in a different order. It gives the rank as 1, 1 only, but it will not give you in a sequential order. Okay.
What is the difference for that? Sorry.
When you are giving order by last column, that derived column, this is the customized column that we have created, right? Rank underscore EMP. Then it is displaying in the order, sequential order, like, first it is going
Okay,
to
okay,
display
okay.
all the people as
Mhm.
rank. If you are not giving this order by, then obviously it is going to, what we call, it is going
Okay,
to
okay.
give its own order, earlier order, but however, the rank will be 1 only, right? If you just simply execute this,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So that is partition column. Now I think dense rank you understand, right? Dense rank is instead of 1 to 2, here it is 4. Instead of 4, it is going to give the 3. Same
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to perform an arithmetic operation order by sal plus commission. I do not want to. So here, when it is a salary and when it is a commission field, how is it going to segregate whatever the commission is having, if whatever is the value, like, 29,675 plus 300, how much it could be? Like
3,170.
3,001 or
275.
275 approximately, right? 3275.
Yeah,
And here
3275.
it
Yeah.
is. Here it is 1250 plus 1400, 2650. But here it is 3000, right? So ideally, I would expect 4 should come as rank 1, and then rank 1 or rank 2, and then it should come as this rank 2. But because partition by, what are all the columns that are having the commission values and all, which is not equal to 0, that those are all the columns will be given as a rank 1, and then it is going to give it as the salaries in the descending order, the rank for the salaries. So the highest will get, even the commission
Okay.
is 0, the rank, and then if you see the salary values, it is going to consider. Okay, so do not get confused
Okay.
with this. Okay, if you are mentioning anything partition by columns, that will be assigned with the rank 1. Okay,
1. Okay.
right.
But yesterday you showed one other example that partition by commission, but it was not rank 1. It was going in middle somewhere.
Partition by commission. Here only the queries. Which query?
Okay, maybe you didn't give partition by commission. Just if you
Yeah,
give
here is
only
another
order by
example. Salary plus commission. That's what I want to say. So I'm not
salary
giving
plus
partition.
commission. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not giving any partition now. My intention is both salary plus commission, whoever is getting the highest amount of salary, those should be ranked accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay, right? This is,
Yeah.
then
Okay.
I'm not getting this order by sal plus commission. Now, how is it coming? If that is the case, then order by salary plus commission. Then if you see 5,000, and then it comes to 2975 plus 300, how much it is? 3275, which is
3 to 7.
higher than 3000. So it is ranked as 3. 3000 plus 0, 3000, which is ranked 3. 3000, because there are two salaries, even plus sal plus commission, which is giving the same value. So it has assigned 2 similar ranks,
3.
right?
Yeah.
And then 2850, because it is a rank, instead of 4, it came as a rank function. Instead of 4, it gave it as a 5. And then even it is 2450, but 2650 together, sal plus commission is higher than 2650, is higher, greater than 2450. This was ranked as 6. Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Does it make sense now?
Yeah. It's good. It's good. Yeah.
Then we are doing it as similar with the dense rank function, the same thing. And the only difference with dense rank is here it will be given it as 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then row number 5 will become rank 4, rank 5, rank 6, similar to this. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, here it is 4. And then until 10 only, ranks 10 only it came. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Okay. You can just mention multiple fields also, ranking on multiple fields also. But it is something like ordering on multiple columns. But the presidency will be taken. So order by salary plus commission, DSC, comma, sorry, DSC will take later. So something like ordering on the multiple columns also, comma, anything like, any other employee number, e-name, or anything that you can order also. Okay, so here what did I do? I ranked over multiple fields. Initial priority should be sal plus commission DSC descending order, and then commission field it comes. It is not partition, remember. So partition is different when we are using partition by commission, right? And then whatever is the commission, like other than 0, it is ranking it as 1. Now, if you see, so rank order by sal plus commission DSC, which is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, okay, 1250, 1400, 6, 2450, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? There is no much difference between sal plus commission DSC, comma, commission here, okay? It is just calling that attribute. But if you want to give it as something like, employee number, then you will see the difference.
Okay, salary plus commission, DSC, comma commission. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I just wanted to tell you, like, partition is different. That is the reason why I have written like this. Even you can mention like this. This is also not a problem. But when you are actually giving it right, so what it will happen, sal plus commission only will take the precedence, and it is going to assign the these fields. What is that? The ranks and all. Okay. Partition commission is different. Partition commission, what would happen? This will be ranked as 1 only, whatever the commission exists. And even row number 6 will be ranked as 1 only, right? Because the commission exists. Okay. Now, I think this is not needed ideally. But if you can just write it down, this and this, either you can write like this or you can write like this. Both of them will not make any difference.
Okay.
Okay. But however, if you are giving it as, I'm not considering it as a partition column, but I'm considering it as employee number. The next preference is employee number. And let's see how is it going to give the rank.
Okay.
What it give? Sal plus commission only, descending order, CPC. Ideally, how it should be 3, 3, right? If you are not giving it as. Did you observe this earlier? Like, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3, 3, it should come. But we are taking the another column after this one as an employee number, whichever employee number is greater among 756 lesser. I mean, because it's under, we didn't mention it as a DSC order, right? Whichever is lesser, that would be meaning he is the earlier employee. So I want to give him a better rank, meaning, the employee might have joined a bit earlier than this 7902, 7566, right? Whoever joined, then the ranks would be like this. Okay. So this is something that when we are considering, like, if there are ties, if you just observe over here, there is no tie now. Okay. Ideally, the tie was earlier between row number 3 and row number 4. Right. So when there is a tie between row number 3, row number 4, I'm giving the benefit to the earliest employee who joined. Right. That is my criteria. Okay. Clear on this, Sandeep?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And I think this is also doesn't make difference. Instead of commission, see here, 1, 2, 3, 3, dense rank. But what it would happen in dense rank, instead of 5, it is coming as 4. But there is a tie because its commission is same. So the commission is same. It is not having any difference. So instead of this, I will remove this. then you will get the difference over here more. Instead of
Yeah.
this, give it as an employee number. Whoever joined first is going to get the benefit, or he will be ranked as higher. I mean, like, so if you say 1, 2, sal plus this commission DSC, that will be given the priority. But if both of them are same, then 75667902 will be given the priority. Let's see, employee number DSC. Not sure if it works or not, but let's see. Yeah, the descending order also you can just give employee number.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are seeing that, 307902, earlier it came 7566 as rank 3.
Yeah.
But
As a
now
rank, yeah.
it is in the descending order. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You can just try multiple things on the rank function. So this is on in rank functionality. I hope it is clear, right? So please practice on rank as much as you can and partition by and over. Okay, these are all the additions that we are doing. Now, any doubts on this, Sunday?
No, nothing.
Okay, but I would recommend you to please practice that.
Yeah, sure.
Coming except minus rank, then rank partition. Now let's move on to views and temporary tables. Okay, and then we'll discuss on joins, date functions.
Yeah, okay.
You will have to practice that we are entering into.
అవునండి. నాకు అస్సలు ఆఫీస్ పోయి ఇంటికి వచ్చేసరికి టైం అయిపోతుంది నాకు అసలు.
అంతేలేండి, బట్ ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. You
Yeah,
can even
చేస్తాను.
use this as order by rank EMP ఒక్కటే కాదు. You can just use it as lot of rank. There is with filter criteria also you can use where rank of underscore EMP is greater than or less than 5. I mean, top 5 ranks only I wanted to see. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Invalid column.
అది ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ బై తర్వాత వేరియచ్చు.
ఏదండి?
ఆర్డర్ బై అని ఇచ్చారు కదా, తర్వాత వేరియచ్చా? వేరే ఫంక్షన్.
Order by descending also you can just use, or no, I think we will have to give it the row number when we are using the filter criteria. That is where this one.
Okay.
Where condition we'll see. Okay. And this doing it is ordering, and then it is taking care of order by where rank of EMP, in the sense it is not going to store this value over here. Basically, the rank assignment is not getting happening. So you will have to, what you need to do is you wanted to check it as, so you will have to create a temporary table. Okay, there will be put to the temporary table. I want to store this value into some table and copy. Then you can just create a temporary table, and then you can use this as a column and button. This column and where with the where criteria and all. Okay. Now let's move on to temporary table. How do we create and all? So you can use only directly these columns, like what are all the aliases are there, that columns only with the order by functionality, because this variable typically doesn't store any value, physically, right? To filter it, we will have to store the value and then compare the value. But however, because of the labeling and all. So once it is done in the sorted order, the values will be retrieved, and then while displaying, it sorts the order and it displays. Okay, the column.
Okay.
But when you are using the filter criteria and all, you will have to create a temporary table, or you will have to create a view. Okay. So what is a temporary table? We'll go to what is a view also. What is a temporary table? So we have how many databases in SQL? Basically, by default, the system databases are master, model, MSDB, TempDB. Okay. These are all the databases that we do have. Under the databases, we do have schemas, DB dot, and then we are creating. So what are all the user tables that we do create? Typically, we do create under the master database, right? And we do have what we call model database also, where system tables will be maintained. If there are any kind of backup system tables or backup and restore kind of things should be there, those will be created under model database, but typically we do use it under the master tables. Okay, but however, this master is also pertaining to system databases. In real time, we will be having our own creation of the user database, something like this INF. Okay, INF tables and all. User database will be created, and they will be, sorry, INF is something else also, but some user defined database will be created over here. Okay, master model, MSDB, all what we call all master tables, MSDB will maintain all logs, backup files, and all that stuff. Okay, so typically system collectors and the restore history, restore file groups, all the permissions, related information. Whenever we are creating a table, we will be creating it under the master table, right? The tables that we created so far. Create table XYZ or stud or department, definition stud, what are all these tables, ABC, we created under the master database, right? You can create a table under the temporary database also. Why these temp tables are used? Basically, temp tables are used to store the values and perform some lengthy calculations or critical calculations. Say I told, like, you wanted to store some temporary values temporarily. When you are writing a big function or a complex store procedure or something, you wanted to store from multiple fields the values and all, store it in some temporary table, right? And then use those values, perform those calculations, and at the end of the day, like, you wanted only the calculated value. Okay. You don't want all the values to be stored, because those were already getting stored in some base tables, right? So for those, am I clear? So for that purpose, we do create some temporary table, kind of your variables, where you will give, x equal to y, or it's y equal to 6, something like that, right? Then at the end, once you solve the equation, you are going to get the value, but you will not be storing that x and y's anywhere permanently. Okay, because the values are already there in the base tables, right? So what is the advantage of having the temp table then? What is the advantage of having the temp table? The physical storage, the complex, if there are any complex kind of, what we call a complex kind of calculations that you need to perform, then it would be easy for me to create a temp table and then perform the calculations and store the final value. I need the final output. I don't want all the complexity that was being performed on the in temporary table, the value stored and all. But for that time being, until I calculate that value, I need those values. So I'm storing it in a temporary table. Okay. So physically, the base tables only, the data contains only in the base table. So temporary table will not occupy any space. Clear? So physically, it will not have any burden. Those temp tables remain same, remember, remains there until unless your SQL session is closed. Okay. When you restart your SQL again, those temp tables will not be available. Am I clear, Andy?
Yeah.
Let's see how to create a temporary table. Okay. Suppose this itself, I wanted to store all these values in a temporary table. Then later I wanted to see only rank equal to 5 employee details, or rank equal to 4 employee details, something like that. Okay. Because this is an alias, you cannot really give, then you can just do joins kuda avotadam. How do you create a temp table? Select star into. Into is the keyword that we do use. Okay. Hash temp.
For temporary is it?
Temporary table. Okay. And if it is a temporary table, you need to indicate it with the hash. It need not be temp. The name need not be temp, anything. It could be. Okay. I'm just giving it as temp or something like, rank underscore temp. Just for my purpose. And how you are creating from. This is how you will select. The syntax, because syntax would be different in each and every, what we call, select employee as total salary into hash temp. Okay. From EMP. Okay. From this order. Okay. Okay, order by is not a valid thing. Then I'm just doing a some name you give it as some variable, because we are actually storing the values. So here, if you see, select star from, this is how the syntax will be. Select star into hash rank temp. From this also, from the query you can give, or you can give, it's a simple, let's go with the simple syntax first. I have given drop table to hash temp because you can easily drop the table if already exists. If not, you can create. Select employee number, sal plus commission as total salary. I'm going to create one total salary into hash temp, so that whenever I wanted to select any salary, right, I wanted to select from the, total salary, right? Instead of giving this expression like sal plus commission, I can directly select the total salary. Okay. This is also advisable. So now let's see. There is already an object it is created. So for that, what we see, if there is already an object that exists, drop table, hash rank temp.
Just now you created, right?
Just to be created. That is the reason why, if again I wanted to create, it is giving me an error.
Yeah.
Drop table, if exists. Okay, if it exists. So because it is already there, I'm just going to do, what am I going to do? Select star from hash rank temp. Okay. Now this will be treated as a column. Now if I wanted to select where rank underscore EMP is less than 5, the top 4 ranks would come. You can just do any manipulations in this column. Clear?
Okay.
Or you want to select, where rank employee is between rank between 5 to 10. You can just do that also. Select star from rank underscore temp, where rank underscore EMP between 5 and 10. You want all the details of the employees.
Is it case sensitive? Rank underscore temp అని ఇచ్చారు, ఇక్కడ EMP అని ఇచ్చారు.
Hash rank, hashtag పెట్టలేదు.
Hashtag.
Okay, this is for temp, this is more important. How do you get to know that it is a normal table or temp table? Temp table should always be referred with the hash, meaning that it is not going to be, this rank temp will not be going to be created under the system master database. You see, rank underscore temp is not created. Where exactly it is going to create? Under the temp table. temporary tables, if you see here.
Okay.
Okay. This
Okay.
is going to be created over here. Now, you want to restart without dropping and reconnect. Again, that table will not exist. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm not dropping this table. However, I am going to disconnect this. How can I disconnect? Just disconnect or restart anything. Then do it again. Now, if you want to see, sorry, it is not disconnect. You need to restart. So the sessions remain same. So just close this, restart. So just close this and restart your SQL Server. Your temp table will be gone. Okay. Whenever you are restarting
Okay.
that. So that is the idea of temp table. Okay. Any complex calculations are there, or if you're actually, joining from multiple tables, you wanted to store those values temporarily somewhere in the temp table for the sake of the calculations or for the sake of, verification, validation and all. When we are testing mostly complex functionalities, right, Andy? So in such case, we are going to create the temp tables. Okay.
Okay.
So that would be easy for us because repeatedly, rather than writing those joins and all, we can just create a temp table and we can just store the values and we will reconcile the data. So if you see,
Okay.
there are the system database. Now, if you see whether rank hash temp is there or not, see, nothing is there. Now, let me open the query. I have saved it, right? Recent temp files, temp table, rank and partition. What is the table and the rank and partition I was having? Folder నేను చేశానా? Okay, this is in temp table. Let me go to master. New folder. Now is just execute and you restart. It says that there is no object. Again, you all have to create, meaning the temp table got dropped off when you restart the SQL Server. Okay, meaning
Okay.
like, you disconnected this and relaunched it. Okay, not disconnected also when you just, close this session and then relaunch it. Okay.
Okay.
This is how a temp table. Now let's see different types temp table, because when it says, so temp tables are important that when we are doing it right. So we are going to create mostly temp tables. Views, most of the times we will not be creating the views. Who is going to create the views is developers only, but we will be testing the views. I'll let you know like how to create a view also. Okay, 0.5 less than minute వచ్చిందండి 5 and 0.
లేదండి
Okay.
ఇంకా.
And let's see the different types of temp tables. If temp table already exists, what do we need to do? We will have to just drop table, not it is a delete table, because the reason why when we are how to create a temp table, select the column names
Select
into,
select into. Yeah.
okay, rather than create table. Okay, we are dropping a table because that entire table object should not be there, hash temp or hash name, whatever it is. So along with the data, so we will execute this statement. If there is any object that doesn't exist, then that's fine. Drop table if exists. I think this version is not supporting drop table if exists, but ideally the advanced version support drop table if exist, or if table exists, blah, blah, blah. Also, you can just write down, okay? Drop table,
Okay.
hash temp. Now, it has gone to. So when you are under temp DB, if you are typing like it the hash, it will give you an error. It should be under the master DB only. Okay. When I'm just selecting the temp DB, okay. This is giving error because EMP does not exist under TEB DB.